Hello, guys. The India-Australia Test Series is about to begin. We have been used to seeing a lot of white ball cricket, be it one days, be it T20s, plenty of white ball cricket. But anyways, Test Series is always a good one. In fact, for our viewers as well as for cricketers, they feel that Test cricket is the best form of cricket, right? We have the panel here, Yomi and Rohit. The initial question to you both is right. So, is it difficult for a batsman or a bowler to shift their focus from red ball from the white or a white ball to say for a long format, say a pink or a red ball?
I would say it's a lot more tougher for a batsman because at the end of the day it's a one ball game for him. So I mean you don't really have that much of time for you to. If you're a bowler, you have 6 balls. You have that 1 over to whatever to get that rhythm or to actually think a batsman out. But if you're a batsman, it's just that you go first ball out, chakkan wind on the out, you're back to the pavilion. So there is that sort of a pressure on the batsman, and yes, it is tough. It is. They have to make that mental switch as well as the technical adjustment. Because you play you play white ball cricket, and suddenly it's a totally different format. So on the mental switch and the technical switch has to be done. So definitely, I think batsmen. It's a bigger challenge for them than for a bowler.
Rohit, your initial thoughts?
I agree with Yomi in that sense. Again, like you said, one ball game, and in a test game, bowlers. So, for example, in a limited overs format, or spell maybe 3 over 4 over போட போறாங்க maximum. So they have enough time to work a batsman out. And அந்த ஒரு டெக்னிக்கல் அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட் மென்டல் அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட் ஈஸியா சொல்லிடலாம், பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் தட் ஈஸி. அண்ட் அகைன் சொல்ற மாதிரி ஒன் பால் கேம், ஒரு பால் வாங்கிட்டு போயிட்டு ஓவர். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஹார்டர் ஆன் த பேட்ஸ்மேன். ஐ டோட்லி அக்ரி வித் தட். Because like I said, bowler has enough time to work his way into the game. Then he can set his fields and work on certain aspects. It is not the same for a batsman.
Because lots of discussions have been happening. We always think of bowlers, how are they going to adjust from changing their lines to a longer format where they actually have to get a batsman out rather than in a one day format or a T20 format. Batsmen can throw their wicket away, which is not the case. You have to get your wickets. But from a batsman's perspective, now in the practice match Pakmoda, I felt that the first inning shot of Mayank Agarwal, especially when I thought that was typically a T20 or a ODI shot where nalla velila, but still you look to guide the ball and then you get it nicked, right? So how difficult, Rohit, being a batsman, right, top order batsman yourself, so how difficult it is to is that more of a mental challenge or actually go and work it out in the nets, Rohit?
It is actually a combination of both. So I would say it is more of a mental challenge because the batsmen that are coming through in this generation, they are all playing these shots regardless of the format. Across formats, it is about getting set and then starting to play all these shots. So I would say that the mental aspect contributes more over here because you will have to rein in your instincts. கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆடணும். So for example, ஒரு செஷன் bowler கிட்ட கொடுத்துட்டு செகண்ட் செஷன் வரும்போது once you are set, you can start playing these shots, but not too early in your innings. Because like I said, இந்த ஜெனரேஷன்ல எல்லா ஃபார்மேட்ஸும் எல்லா ஷாட்டும் ஆடுறாங்க எல்லாரும். So it is more of a mental tweak. Technical adjustments, yes. Unless you are able to play that shot effectively, I don't think you will be putting that shot out in a game. Repeat பண்ண போய் ஆட போறீங்க அத.
Which is why all three formats players are becoming less nowadays, do you think? Because you select a team for limited overs and you select a team for a long format. Is that going to be the future?
I mean, a good player is going to be a good player regardless of which format he's playing in. So it is about making those adjustments and making sure that you are consistent across formats. But when it comes, certainly I would say that limited overs format, a batsman being technically sound doesn't matter that much. Because, like you said, the intention of the bowler is to just keep the scoring rate down. They are not actually looking to get you out. Whereas in a test game, that is the first instinct. So, எப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நியூ பாலா இருக்கட்டும், செகண்ட் நியூ பாலா இருக்கட்டும், ஓல்ட் பாலா இருக்கட்டும், he's always got 3 steps in the gully and the medium pacer.
Yeah.
So, which is a big adjustment, I'd say.
Yomi, do you think that likes of Vihari, Pujara, you have not played lots of white ball cricket? In fact, ரொம்ப நாளா விளையாடவே இல்ல. We are thinking that rust can come in, but I felt that they both are having a slight advantage over others who have been playing continuously white ball cricket, because they are used to leaving the ball. They are not in that mindset of going and poking that. So do you think they have a slight advantage over others who are playing continuously white ball cricket?
I think mentally the players who have been playing the white ball continuously, that will be challenging. That will be more of a challenge for them compared to what a Pujara or a Vihari, because they would have set their mind and they would have prepared for a very long time for the red ball down. But saying that, game time no proper match pressure, proper game time, I think that is where Vihari and Pujara might lack. But again, that again boils down to mental also, like how they actually approach that challenge. That I mean, rendu perukume they'll have their own set of challenges. People who are playing white ball cricket, they'll be more worried about technical stuff. Getting into that on the test match mode kondu varudhu vande, that will be a challenge for them. And again, Pujara and Vihari, all the red ball players, for them, getting that proper game time, that will be a challenge for them also. And just touching back to one more thing is, like Papu said, it's a one ball game for a batsman. What from a bowler's perspective, when you actually think about test match, it is more about patience. It's about keeping the pressure. Which is totally different from a white ball perspective. White ball, it's totally different. And as a bowler, you have the advantage of it's just not just one over. It's about a spell. நீ ஒரு ரெண்டு ஸ்பெல் நீ ஹோல் டேல ரெண்டு ஸ்பெல் you would have probably not really been there. பேடா போட்டிருக்கலாம். But ஒரு third spell you can end up picking up 3 wickets. It changes the whole day. I mean, the whole day மாத்தலாம் as a bowler. But that's not the case with the batsman. It's just that one ball is going to take you, you're done for that innings. So andha vidathla, yes, it is a lot more challenging for a batsman than it is for a bowler.
So our final verdict is it's more challenging for a batsman than a bowler, right? So both of you agree to that. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks. So we'll be discussing a lot during the test series. So let's hope that we get to see a wonderful test series. அந்த ஒரு த்ரில்லே தனி இல்லையா, மார்னிங் 5 மணிக்கு எந்திரிச்சு sipping a tea, watching a proper test match in action in Australia is always a great thing. Okay, thanks a lot for guys for sharing your thoughts on this.